Hi, it's Felicia Flarski from your CIS 110, Section 3. I'm not really sure if we're supposed to be recording us like I'm doing or showing you our process on the screen while talking. I'm doing this because I don't know how to show you my screen well while I'm doing all that and record. So we're supposed to be talking about the questions you have on Canvas, overview the steps of your process, and what did you do to identify and address areas for improvement, which is 1. My steps is I ended up going to my rubric, which you have graded, and I looked at where I was downgraded. And then I went to those sections in my paper, and if it said I was missing examples or my grammar was off or something, I would end up fixing it. And so that is how I identified it as well, by looking at your rubric and seeing what you had downgraded me on. My areas of improvement, I can obviously say that I need more examples in areas instead of using one. Okay, I'm going to go on to 2, because time. After reviewing information on effective organization, language use, and grammar punctuation, and going through the process of improving this paper, what strengths and weaknesses do you see written in your communication? Well, my weaknesses, I don't use enough examples. No. My strengths, I guess I can say, is I'm pretty good at going through the paper and analyzing the examples I do use. I feel like that's a strength of mine. And I also, well, I guess this is another thing that happened last week that I feel good about now, because my forestry teacher said I am a good writer, so I guess that's a strength of mine because I was complimented. Yay, this is gonna be rambling, I'm sorry. What are your goals for improving in writing, and what is your plan to achieve them? I guess my goal in writing is have it cohesive paper, have enough to write about. So what is my plan to achieve them? Research more? I honestly don't know. Because I usually lack in writing or examples, so I guess finding those examples, and to do that, research more, watch videos more, repeat it so I get it down and I can memorize more and I can understand it easier. So I guess that is my video reflection. I'm sorry if this is very terrible. I am honestly not good at talking. I'm much better on paper, I believe. Yeah.